Hey guys, I'm sure that you wondered at least once, why do some traders always seem to catch the perfect entry? And what if I told you that it's not luck, but a clear set of rules that anyone can follow? So today I will prove it to you with a live trading session with the use of my own strategy and explaining everything step by step. So let's go. Okay, all right. I'm ready on the broker's platform. And let's start with the main thing, breaking down today's indicator setup. So we'll be using SuperTrend with the specific settings and exponential moving average with a period of 20 and the RSI oscillator with a period of 14. So, yep, it's quite a simple strategy to use, and I'll explain every single trade in detail so that by the end of this session, you'll have no questions left. And just a reminder, we're trading in the cryptocurrency market, and all the assets here have the most optimal and stable price movement, yep, with the highest payout percentages. So we'll be entering trades with 1 minute expiration time and analyzing charts on the 1 minute time frame. And I'm aiming for a solid balance boost today. So we're starting with 75 dollars in the account, and I hope everything will go according to plan. So wish me luck, guys, and let's get right into it and pick our first asset to open the most profitable trade. And right here we can open our first position for a sell, following the current impulse, right? So it could be correction, but honestly, I wouldn't call it that way overall. The trend here is clearly bearish. First of all, we note that the SuperTrend is giving a sell signal, and the moving average has also crossed downwards, and the RSI oscillator is in the range between 50 and 30, so showing the strength of the downtrend. And based on that, we can open a sell trade right here. And yep, just looking at the recent price action, so very tense moment, guys. But the last few seconds are tense, right? So no, the first trade closes in profit, guys. Perfect. So we now open the next position with the maximum balance amount. Overall, I managed to get in at a good timing. The current candle shows strong impulse, but the position is already closing profit. So I think I explained this clearly enough. So let's move on and find the next entry point. And here, right here, I want to know that most likely some kind of market news just came out. So we saw sudden spike in volatility, so which is why we got such an unusual candle. And of course, that's not the nicest thing to see, but it's something you can't completely avoid. So in this case, I think I got a bit lucky, right? So yep, let's keep going and find our next trade. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus, there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. Well, on this next asset, I'll be opening a buy position. So following the current bullish trend, and this entry comes after a small pullback in the form of two candles. So as you can see, the SuperTrend is showing a buy signal. It's just appeared recently. The price crossed the moving average from below to above. So, and the RSI is in the range from 50 to 70, indicating bullish strength. So, and we've got all three confirmations right now, so we can safely open a buy trade here. So, okay, let's do that. So, and watching the result, guys. Okay, the trade closes confidently in profit. Just perfect result, guys. And once again, we set the maximum trade size for the next entry. And yeah, so a really strong and reliable signal here, and the trade worked out beautifully. So let's keep going and find our next setup. Oh, well, okay, I'm opening a sell here. Okay, so the SuperTrend has given us a sell signal, and we also have a strong bearish impulsive candle, you know. So the overall trend is bearish, and the RSI has crossed below the 50 level. Yep, so which is the midpoint for this oscillator, and is now in the 50 to 30 range, confirming downtrend strength. So and the moving average has also crossed downward. And the last few seconds are intense, really. Very tense moments. But the trade still closes in profit, so great short position. It worked out perfectly. So again, we saw the maximum trade size for the next setup. Okay, and let's keep trading and find another entry point. Okay, so what's next? And here I guess it will be another sell trade, because you know the entry is similar to the previous one. SuperTrend shows a sell signal. So there is a downward cross of the moving average, and the RSI is between 50 and 30, and confirming bearish pressure. Well, and on top of that, we had a small pullback of 2 candles earlier. Well, okay, so and the last 10 seconds of this trade. Excellent, guys. So the trade closes in profit. So once again, let's put the maximum size for the next entry. Okay, so let's move on to the next trade, guys, and let's do that right here. I'm opening a buy position on a bounce from the current candle, so I see potential for further upward movement after such a rebound. The SuperTrend has shown a buy signal right now. So, and the RSI oscillator is between 50 and 70, confirming bullish impulse. So, and also we have an upward cross of the moving average, and additionally there is a nice bounce from the support area. And so here I'm confidently entering a buy, and the final seconds, guys, and perfect. So the trade closes in profit. So let's open the next trade with a maximum balance size again. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we're moving forward, right? So to find the next entry. And on the next bounce, I managed to catch a great entry level. So this is buy following the trend direction, and I really like this entry. It comes right after an upside of the global structural high, and we can see an impulsive pullback followed by a higher low. and the appearance of a buy signal from the SuperTrend and upward cross of the moving average and the RSI that moving into the overbought area. So we are opening a buy trade here. So let's check the result. The last seconds we have. Perfect, guys. So really just insane. Okay, so trade closed in profit, and with that result, guys, we'll be wrapping up today's trading session. And as you probably noticed, the entry principles and conditions were pretty much the same each time. And I analyzed the chart and selected asset with the most favorable movement for this strategy. And as you can see, with proper analysis and the right combination of indicators, you can achieve excellent results. So the strategy is simple, so feel free to use it exact this indicator setup. So I think it's a great moment to withdraw our results, to withdraw our profits, right? So let's lock in today's profit and go to the withdrawal tab. Okay. So we are withdrawing $2,700. And the withdrawal request is successfully processed, guys. So just excellent. Right. Let's end it up today's session. And that's it, guys. So guys, now you have seen how this strategy works in real market conditions. And the only question is, are you ready to apply this to yourself? So I'll be sharing most of my trading setups and tips in my Telegram, so don't miss it. And guys, if you still have questions or want to clarify any details, just send me a message, just DM me to the Telegram. So the necessary links you'll find below this video. So, and also don't forget about my Telegram group where I share my lifestyle, just travel photos, trading tips, and market news, and so on. So I'm sure you'll find it useful and interesting. And guys, also remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So see you.